Very good morning, all of you. Welcome again in GK class. This is 8th standard. I am Ojeshwi. So, how are you all? Had your breakfast completed? Good. So, chapter 14 Famous Literary Works. Okay. So, some authors have become world famous because their literary works have touched many human hearts. So, in today's chapter, the picture of authors has given and the three options are also given for writing the name of their famous works. So in this class we will discuss, and after that you will complete that as your homework. Number 1, George Bernard Shaw, and his famous works are Arms and the Man, Major Barbara, and The Man of Destiny. Number 2, Leo Tolstoy, and his famous literary works are War and Peace, Resurrection, and Anna Karenina. Number 3, Emma Mansfield Park, and Pride and Prejudice. These famous literary works are written by Jane Austen. The next one, who will tell me the name? All names are given now. No answer. Okay, you are giving answer. Good. And this famous personality of literature is known as Mark Twain. And Mark Twain is famous for not only three works, many more famous works are also there, but here three are given that are more famous, and these are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Does anybody remember the story of Tom Sawyer? Too interesting now. And in this class, some boys are also like a Tom Sawyer. Is it? The second is The Mysterious Stranger. And the third one is Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. This is also a very nice story. How many of you read this? Good. You can also tell me in the comment box. One thing I want to ask, guys. You are above 100, I think, in or near 100 in the number, but very less comments are there in the comment box of Swadhyan, and one or two comments are there in the Schoolia app. It means very few students are attending the classes. So guys, please be confirmed how many of you taking the classes. If you are really taking the classes, I want to see the more comments, more likes, okay, and more subscription. If you do not subscribe the channel, how will you see the videos? Okay, so show me how many of you attend the classes. The next one is Ruskin Bond, and famous for mysterious stories. So his famous works that are given in this chapter, these are A Handful Nuts, The Angry River, and An Island of Trees. I must say that nowadays you have much more time, so read all these story, you know, and you can also read all the story in your system, laptop, mobile, but don't go anywhere else, is it? Or maybe some of you have books who are fond of reading, you know. The next one is known as the famous author of literature. He is Thomas Hardy, and his the three given famous works are The Return of the Native, Far from the Madding Crowd, and The Mayor of Casterbridge. I read that story, The Mayor of Casterbridge, in the graduation first year, and at that time, my teacher was taught me through a picture study, and the picture study is more effective. Means when you study through a picture, it will print in your mind, and you never forget that story. Even today, the picture of that story what my sir told, I remember that there is a big table and the mayor is sitting in the main head chair, and many more persons are around the table. After that I forget, sorry. You will go and continue, but picture study is a very best medium, you know, and there is no need to more efforts for learning and for repeating again and again. If you are studying through a picture, it is too easy. So a student who don't have interest in the reading or in studying, they can use this technique, and I promise if you are using this technique, you will also top in the class. So the next one is your homework, and that is complete exercise of chapter 14. My dear students, I don't give you long homework or much more homework. I give you whatever is given in your book. So I expect that everyone complete this exercise in the book in very good, neat and clean, readable handwriting with correct spelling. Because instead of being a hell box, you are doing many mistakes in the spellings. So please open your eyes widely and do correct work. Thank you. Have a nice day. One more thing. Tell me what is seeing in this picture. I want your answers in the comment box. Okay?